Okay, hello guys. As for today, I will show to you on how to comments in Java. There are two types for you to use on how to comments in Java. Usually, we use Java comments for making the code understandable because when we are working on a code, we will pass this code to other programmer. Okay, these comments are usually disregarded by the compiler while the code is being running. So the compiler won't read them because these statements are non-executable. Okay, the first type of comment is slash, double slash. Okay, usually what we put in the comment is so to make the code understandable. So this is a comment, or maybe because this is a scanner class, so this is asking input for, this is asking user for input. Okay, this is asking user for input. This is the first type of comment. The second type of comment is slash star, and then at the end of the code, star slash. It is a multi-line comment, so it will comment out all the code that is between this line. Okay. Okay. In NetBeans, because I'm using NetBeans, you can use shortcut that is just type BCOM and tab. Okay, if you type BCOM and tab, it will NetBeans will auto complete the comment for you. So it will give you multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. Okay, which type of comment to use in Java, that it is up to you. Okay, it is up to you which one you want to use. Either you want to use the multi-line or you want to use the single line. Normally, we will use single line for short comments and also the multi-line for longer comments. Okay. Okay, this is we can also select all the code that you do not want and click Ctrl slash. If you click Ctrl slash, NetBeans will slash out the comments so that when the code is being run, it will not execute anything. Okay, I will show to you. If you click run, okay, it will not show any output because I have comment out this one and also this one. Okay, what if I'm not commenting out all the code? Okay, if I click run, okay, input a degree in Fahrenheit 50, and then the output is 50 is equal to 10 in Celsius. Okay, if I comment out this one, it will not show to you what is the result. Okay, I click run again, input a degree in Fahrenheit 50, and I click enter. There's no result because I comment out the system.out.print line. So I hope you know how to use the comments. Either you want to use a single line or a multi-line. Thank you.